All right, what's good, boys? I'm gonna start doing these trade recaps. I think it'll be beneficial both for myself and anyone else who's trying to learn these concepts. Uh, I'm just gonna be recapping this trade I posted in results. Actually, one of my cleanest trades this week. I had two trades like that just went beautifully. Um, let's see. So let's get into it. Right here, it's just the failure setup. And I'm mainly going to be talking about, because this is the main lesson I got from it, or what I've been implementing. So you're just like combining different themes basically into one trade. So first we have the liquidity sweep right here. That's what this arrow is. And then this is the level in the first high, the failure level. If I'm not going to explain those right now, but if you're in the Wave Discord, especially the premium, you'll get a lot of stuff about them. Honor talks about them all the times in the stream. But so yeah, I marked the first failure right here, swept the liquidity, and then now we're back below, right? And I'm actually gonna talk about some like nuances, or well, not necessarily nuances, but how you can combine different themes. I took the failure on the 1 minute, so this was the highest failure on the 1 minute in this high. It wasn't like a microscopically small one. It was like, this is it right here. So we swept the liquidity, got back below. This box is just to highlight it as my POI. This is where I planned on executing. And then, actually I don't see, oh yeah, I put this level because this is the failure in this high. But I wasn't going to execute on that. I wanted a little bit more confirmation. Specifically, I wanted to see the market structure get retraced, right? I wanted to see it start to show some weakness. And this isn't like a criteria for the trade. Like, all you want to see with the failure is you want it to just hold below this failure. That's all you want to see. And then you should, if it does that, you'll see a new low like it did here. So we can increase the likelihood of that if we combine other themes with it. Like for right here, all I really did was combine the market structure. So you saw, on a lower time frame, I mean, you could really take this as the low, but this is more of like an internal low that, we got a nice, pretty violent dump here. And then another one right here. And we're starting to make lower highs, lower lows. We get closes below this low that brought you up here. So at that point, there's not so much, we're not in this kind of like crazy uptrend anymore, right? So that would suggest to me that there's a higher likelihood of this level holding up. That's why I took the retest here. And then the target was just the low that brought you up there. Because if we fail this level, we should make a new low. That's really it. It's just the failure and the market structure. Those were the only two themes that I used here. I don't know if I've made that more complicated than it should have been, but I think I explained everything pretty thoroughly. So let me know if you have any questions.